Welcome to SellerCenter channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find the top performing TikTok ads in the world using the SellerCenter Ad Spy tool. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's talk about why this matters. If you're doing dropshipping, e-commerce, TikTok advertising, or UGC content creation, you already know this. Your ads are only as good as your creative inspiration. On TikTok especially, trends change fast, creatives burn out quickly, and the competition gets stronger every single day. That's why tools like a TikTok ads library or an ad spy tool are essential. You need to know what ads are currently trending, what hooks and formats are working, which products are taking off, how top advertisers structure their creatives. But TikTok doesn't give you easy access to global top-performing ads, and the public creative center has limited filters. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the SellerCenter Ad Spy tool at sellercenter.io/ads, a powerful platform that lets you search, filter, analyze, and download millions of TikTok ads from around the world. You can filter by niche, country, language, ad format, engagement, impressions, and more, so you can instantly find ads that are already performing well and model your own after them. Alright, let's dive in. First, navigate to the Ad Spy tool section inside SellerCenter. In the search bar, type in a product name or brand. Choose TikTok as your platform. Date range, last 30 days. Shop types, Shopify stores. Ad status, active ads only. Language, English or the language of your target market. Country. Media type, choose video. Duration. Now SellerCenter will generate a list of top-performing TikTok ads worldwide, based on real data. This is where the magic happens. Sort by impression estimate, and the highest performing ads will float to the top. You'll instantly see which ads are getting massive reach, which products are trending, and which styles are dominating TikTok right now. Choose a winning ad and open its details page. Here, you can see full ad creative, popularity, impression, ad duration, likes, ad status, target region, language, landing page links. This is gold for marketers and dropshippers. Click preview to analyze the ad. Or download media to save it locally for inspiration. You've just found global top TikTok ads and saved them for your next creative testing session. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly find top-performing TikTok ads using the SellerCenter Ad Spy tool. If you want to discover winning ads faster and stay ahead of competitors, check it out here, sellercenter.io/ads. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe,